Yes, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to InfoBairy YouTube channel, fellow knowledge seekers. This is the platform where you can gain all the knowledge, your educational stuffs. And today we are diving into a tool that every researcher, student, and curious mind should have in their mind, or they are looking for some tips and tricks of this tool, and this tool is none other than Google Scholar. So starting the Google Scholar is like the secret library of the internet, housing a vast collection of scholarly articles, theses, books, code opinions, and many more things. It's not just another search engine, it's specifically designed to help you find the academic sources quickly and efficiently. So, today we are going to learn the tips and tricks of the Google Scholar. So, how can you make the most out of the Google Scholar? How you can use this as an effective tool for your research and your thesis, your research papers, or your projects. So, let's go. We can start. Let's break it down into some keys, tips, and tricks of Google Scholar. But before this, before we start, if you didn't subscribe my channel and share my channel, please subscribe my channel InfoBerry and share it. Like, comment, share this video and all other videos. If you like it, please like, thumbs up, give thumbs up, and if you have some suggestion for my content, if you need some extra content, do let me know and in the comments. Let's go. So starting with the first trick, you have to go Google Scholar, and we will check this out. You can search. We can search about soil science. See, we put in quotation the soil science, what we our subject, and then if you want only PDF files for your research, you can type file type. This is file type colon and PDF. Now you see, if when you type this type of quotation, soil science in quotation, or whatever your subject or your topic is, and then space and then file type colon PDF, and this Google Scholar will show only the PDF files of your search. Only the research articles which having the PDF files, there it will show. So the next trick for the Google Scholar is if you type in colon like soil science. So this indicates the main soil science word in that typical file, the research paper or thesis or whatever the thing is. So main thing is this soil science will be available in that paper or research article. Then this trick is if you want to search in some specific website, like we site colon dot edu. If you want to search in educational institutes official websites, so you will type in the specific topic in colons, then space site, then semicolon, sorry colon, and then dot edu. Edu for official website, educational website. You can write here pk.com, any other official website. So then enter, then we will see that uh, all edu domain uh, websites research articles with the domain of edu are available after we search like this. So as you know, the word written in inverted commas like soil science, it will show the result of soil science wherever in the article or research article. It will show the all results. So as you know, if we search the word in quotations, quotation marks, uh, it means this word should include in the research paper, uh, whether it is in title or not. But if you want to add your specific word in title, you have to add all in title colon and the specific word you want to know in quotation marks and press enter. Now, this will give you the result of your specific word in the titles, not in the uh, research paper, but in the title. You can see the soil science in the title all over this result. You can also uh, check the year. You can also change the year if you want. The latest one articles you can change from the left toolbar. That is since 2024. It will show you the whole new the research articles in 2024. You can also select the custom range. We can select from 2020 to 2024. It will take some time. I think it may be of some internet issue, but when you search 2020 to 24, it will show you the result from the 2020 to 24 with the this soil science word in title. Also have the filter option in Google's Scholar. We can check it out like if we can filter our data like we need. First, we check the year filter, but we also have the review article. When you search the your article, like we are searching about the soil science, then these are the result. But we need review articles. Click the review articles left. If we need every type of article, we click the any type. If we need patents, we check mark the include patents. If we need also need the citations, we check mark the include citation. But in my opinion, you should whenever you search about your review art, your any article, you should choose the review article option because I think this is most relevant to your search, and you can also check the date anytime. Since if you need latest articles, you have to check the latest year, like 2024 is going. So this is all from the today's video of Google Scholar. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe InfoBairy YouTube channel for more amazing content.